Hi, my name is Mike Quinn. I'm the asset manager for Khansaheb Civil Engineering. Khansaheb is actually the oldest construction company in the UAE, starting its first project in 1935. So in 2 years' time, we will be 90 years old. Here in this depot, we look after over 1,000 plant and logistic assets to support the wider Khansaheb group of companies. Our fleet is made up of many case machines, including skid steers, backhoe loaders, wheel loaders, and excavators. We've had a relationship for over 18 years with Case and Al-Shirawi. In that period of time, we've owned over 70 case machines on our fleet. Some of our assets are over 10 years old, all of which have done 25 to 30 odd thousand hours. The fact that we look after them and we have a very rigorous preventive maintenance regime in place means we've got very few breakdowns from those assets. It is one of the main reasons we purchase case machines is because of our relationship with Al-Shirawi. Whenever we've got a problem, they expedite sending one of their case engineers to our workshop to help us solve problems, fault finding. Their servicing from parts is excellent. We regularly have very little downtime because we're waiting for parts from Al-Shirawi. All the case assets that we've owned have proven to be robust in the conditions that we have here. In the UAE, the temperatures are in the late 40s for most of the year, which means you need reliable machines that can operate in those temperatures. More importantly, our operators find the machines easy and straightforward to use, which makes it again easier when we get into those conditions, particularly when it's dusty environments where on some of our projects where we're at earth moving, for instance. Most importantly, over the years, we've developed a very strong relationship with Case and Al-Shirawi. We would have no problem in the future, and particularly some future projects that we just won, to go and purchase more new case assets, particularly on our wheel loaders, excavators, and our skid steers, and deploy them onto all of our projects.